Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arianti Sapitri, the 7th semester student of Pamulang University, Faculty of English Literature. In this opportunity, I would like to give you some information about hypothesis in language learning. So, keep on watching. As we know, language is an important thing in our life. Learning a second language can be a plus point for us, because besides make it easier for us to communicate, it can also increase our skills and knowledge. Therefore, in this time, many students focus on learning a second language. In the second language learning process, there are several factors that can make it easier for students to reach their target language. Stephen Krashen, in his hypothetical theory, mentions 5 components that related to the language learning process. These components contain explanation of how and with what students get a second language. The first component is the acquisition learning hypothesis. In this hypothesis, Krashen states that students can acquire language from 2 systems. First is the acquire system. In this system, students acquire the language naturally. They hear and use the language they have mastered with their interlocutors without thinking about the structure of the language. The second is the learn system. The system is a language acquisition system that is consciously carried out by students. For example, following language learning about its syntax. Second is the monitor hypothesis. As the name, before use some words, students will first monitoring or check the correctness of the language that they will use. In other moments, students can also monitoring the language after they use it, by means of self-correction. However, this monitoring process can only be done by students who have 3 things: time, focus, and knowledge. Next is the natural order hypothesis. This hypothesis describes how students got their second language in their own way. Like the students trying to produce single words, then they assemble the words based on the meaning. They also began to identify the elements that begin and end sentences, as well as identify the different elements in the sentence and rearrange them to generate questions. The next one is the input hypothesis. The input hypothesis is the second step after the natural order hypothesis. This hypothesis only applies to language acquisition and not language learning. Last is the affective filter hypothesis. This hypothesis states that motivation, self-confidence, and anxiety are the external factors that can act as filters that hinder acquisition. This was also supported by Krashen. He said that learners with high motivation, self-confidence, and low level of anxiety are better equipped for success in the second language acquisition. Okay, that's all from me. I do apologize if there are lots of mistakes in my explanation about hypothesis in language learning. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.